Now from this step, we move on. So the total volume of the solution now, that is Vt. Vt will now be volume of the acid, which is the HNO3 plus volume of the base, which is KOH. So volume of acid given to us is 0.05 plus volume of the base is 0.025. So the resultant volume will now be, so when we now add both volumes together, we have 0.125 dm cube. So this is the total volume of the solution, 0.125 dm cube. So this is what we are going to apply at this area. Why? The number of moles, of the excess one will give us 0.001. So we now relate it to the one that is in, that is in excess. Don't forget that. Don't forget that the one that is in excess between acid and base. Which one is in excess between acid and base? The acid is in excess. Acid is 0.005 and base is 0.04. So which means we are going to refer to pH, not pOH. Assuming if this one is in excess, it means we are going to refer to pOH. But since the number of moles of acid is the one that is in excess, then which means we are going to refer to pH. And by doing that, we find the difference between the number of moles to check the difference, the one that is in excess. So the total concentration now will not be so that's 0.001 divided by 0.125. So the result give us, if we divide these two together, that give us 0.08 mole per dm cube. So that's it. So then we now go back to pH. Now the formula for pH is equal to minus log of base 10 concentration of hydrogen ions. You see, so this is the formula for pH. So we now input the value we have here into this particular space. We now have minus log 10 into, so 0.08 in standard form give us 8 times 10 raised to power minus 2. You see now, so we open the bracket, that give us minus log 10 8 then times minus log 10 of 10 is minus 2. So we apply the law of logarithms. When you are multiplying the log, you add up together. That because minus log 10, this one is still the same, that 2 is part 3, then plus minus into minus 2 log 10 is 10. Don't forget that log 10 is 10. So we now have minus, so this one get minus 3 log 2, then plus 2. So minus 3 times 0.3010 plus 2. So everything give us